Are you, like many other guys, tired of taking expensive drugs to fix your weak erection or erectile dysfunction? What if I tell you that you don't need to take them? There are natural products to boost your erection that are right under your nose. I will show you 3 natural recipes that will work like homemade Viagra without any side effects. Now, erectile dysfunction is a very common condition that affects millions of men worldwide. When you go to a doctor, they often treat the consequences of the erectile dysfunction, not the cause of it. Now, they prescribe medications that relieve symptoms, which may not always work, instead of trying to figure out what is the cause of the problem. As you already know, there are many causes of erectile dysfunction, including medical conditions, perhaps some medications you're taking, or life factors. But in many causes, ED can improve or even reverse by making simple changes in your diet. The first recipe I would like to share with you is a special tea. Now, to make this homemade Viagra tea, we'll need 1 liter of teapot. Take a small piece of ginger, peel it, and chop it. Next ingredient is a nettle. Rinse it thoroughly, chop finely, and add it to a teapot. After that, we take lemon. Finely chop 1/3 of the lemon again into the teapot. The next component is a cinnamon and honey. Add 1 stick of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of honey to the same container of water. The next important ingredient to make this homemade Viagra is a hibiscus tea. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the hibiscus tea to the same container. The most important ingredient is Schisanda chinensis. If you cannot find berries, you can use leaves. Folk healers believe that Schisanda chinensis, like no other plants, strengthens the male potency. Now, once you mix all these ingredients together, pour the boiling water over it and let it sit for a bit. This tea can be consumed every day. It's absolutely healthy and good for you. This tea also significantly reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular disease and diabetes. And now we're going to move to a second recipe. Take a quarter of a watermelon and cut it into cubes, then put it into the blender. The watermelon contains a lot of citrulline, an amino acid that converts into L-arginine in your body, and then L-arginine is precursor to nitric oxide, the gas that helps you to relax the blood vessels and dilate your blood vessels to improve your blood flow. Healthy blood vessels are essential in a good erection. So watermelon has been shown to improve erectile function in men with mild to even moderate erectile dysfunction. One study found that the men who ate watermelon every day for 3 weeks experienced a significant improvement in their ability to achieve and maintain an erection. Here's a very interesting fact. A yellow watermelon has 4 times more citrulline than the regular red watermelon. So if you happen to find yellow watermelons, use those. Now, do me a favor, if you didn't know this fact about the yellow watermelon, please click like so more men can learn this important information. Next, you take a small piece of ginger, you peel it, and you chop it. If you didn't know, ginger enhances the blood flow and may increase testosterone production as well. Next, you take 1 lemon and you squeeze it into the blender. Lemons are packed with antioxidants and bioflavonoids. They help men to improve their sexual function as well. Now, blend everything together, add about 120 ml of water, and drink half a cup every day in the morning. You'll be able to see the first results in only about 4 weeks after using this smoothie. Now, if you still don't notice any positive changes in your man's health after following these recipes, it is possible that your causes of your erectile dysfunction cannot be cured just with diet and supplements alone. But don't worry, you can always schedule a free consultation in person with me in our New York office. At ReBalance, we have helped hundreds and hundreds of men to feel confident in bed once again. The link is in the description, and I have one more recipe to share with you. The third recipe is also a smoothie that includes watermelon, pomegranate seeds, spinach, and more. And here's the ingredients. 1 cup of watermelon. You already know why yellow watermelons are better than red and why watermelons help. 1/2 cup of pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates, if you didn't know, are very rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect the blood vessels from damages and, of course, improve the flow. 1 cup of packed spinach. Now, spinach is a good source of magnesium, potassium, and folate. Magnesium helps to relax the blood vessels and improve the blood flow. Potassium helps to regulate the blood pressure, and folate helps to produce testosterone, the male sex hormone. You will also add 1/2 cup of banana. It contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is believed to increase your endurance, and are also believed to help with the reduction of impotence in general. Next ingredient is 50 grams of walnuts. These are healthiest of all nuts, highest in omega-3 acids, great for brain function, excellent for blood flow, and increasing sperm production. You're also going to add a couple of pieces of dark chocolate. They have a wonderful effect with amino acids called L-arginine. Add 1/2 cup of water and the smoothie is ready. This smoothie is a great source of citrulline, antioxidants, magnesium, potassium, folate, which are all important for men's sexual health. It is also a good source of water, which is important for overall health as well. Now, sometimes we want to enhance or improve our erectile function just before engaging in sexual activity. If you're wondering how to do it, here's the answer. Just watch this video and I will show you some very easy, useful techniques.